In this exciting scrap metal art welding project, we embark on a creative journey that combines the raw beauty of discarded materials with skilled craftsmanship of welding. As we develop into the world of upcycling, we are uncover the hidden potential in discarded metal pieces, transforming them into stunning work of art. Our goal is not only to showcase the artistry of welding but also promote sustainability by repurposing material that would otherwise end up the landfill. We will take you step by step through the process from selecting the right pieces of scrap metal to planning and design and exciting precise weld. You will with witness the fusion of artistic vision and technical expertise. As we breathe new life into this forgotten material, join us on this creative adventure where spark fly and art comes to life, inspiring you to explore your own unique welding project and make a positive impact on the environment. In this exciting YouTube video, we embark on a creative journey into the world of scrap metal art through the memorizing craft of welding. Join us for transform discarded metal pieces into stunning work of art, blending imagination with craftsmanship. Our project showcased the incredible potential of repurposed material, demonstrating the beauty that can emerge from what others might consider were waste. With precious and skills, we will guide you through the word processes, sharing valuable tips and techniques to ensure your own scrap metal art project come to life with finance. From from conceptualization to Luyan, we will cover every step of the process, allowing you to witness the magic metal figure in action. Prepare to be inspired as we unleash your creativity, stunning rusted relies into masterpieces that will abort homes to space with a unique charm. Do not miss. We are diving headfirst into the captivating world of scrap metal art welding. Join us as embark on creative journey where discarded metal pieces transform into stunning work of art through the power of welding. Our skilled artisans will guide you through the meticulous process, showcasing the fusion of raw talent and precise craftsmanship. From selecting the perfect scrap metal pieces to the memorizing dance of spark. So they melt together, you would witness the bits of unique sculpture that breathe new life into forgotten material. We will also essential tips and techniques for aspiring welder that artistry, ensuring seamless and safe experience. Either you are seeing welder looking for inspiration for beginners and geared to explore the magic of metal art in this video promises and for unforgettable adventure, you world of creativity, recycling, craftsmanship. So grab your welding gear and let's turn scrap metal art. China says we transform discarded metal pieces into stunning work of through the magic of welding. Our project showcased the intricate fusion of creativity and craftsmanship, turning the stick remnants into masterpieces that tell unique stories. Throughout the video, we will expert tips in and techniques to ensure your welding project is not only visually appealing but also safe and efficient. We will explore various welding methods from mechanic, highlighting their strength and best application to different types of scrap metal. Either you are scenes welder looking for fresh inspiration for a renewable gear to embark on any rustic journey, this video is packed with valuable insight to elevate your scrap metal game. Get ready to witness a spark fly as endless, timeless potential are welding in the reclaim of artistry. Do not miss not to adventure and let ignite your passion for scrap metal welding together. With the keen eyes of design and passion repurposing discarded materials, we will transform modern scrap metal into stunning work of art. Throughout these YouTube tutorials, you will discover the secrets, selecting the right processes, scrap metals, turning and shaping them precious and welding them together to bring your rustic vision of life. Our optimized approach ensure you to not only visually captivating pieces but also minimize waste and minimize resourcefulness. We will share expert tips on working techniques, safety precautions, and artistic inspiration, empowering you to embark on your own eco-friendly artistry adventure. Either you are experienced welder for beginners care to explore world of metal art, this project promises to ignite your creativity and elevate your skill. China's journey to artistic expression through the scrap metal welding.